As the sun shines in all of my glory, my flaws don't look so bad at all. What was I so afraid of?
Hey everybody, it's Sharmel. Welcome back to Locs Lifestyle. Welcome back to another video. So in today's video, I am going to be taking down my rope twist. You guys know I have loved this style. I've had it in for about 3 weeks, and honestly, it still looks really good. I probably would have kept it in longer, but my scalp has been getting a little itchy and I know I need to wash my hair soon. So I decided to go ahead and take them out. So yeah, that's what we're going to be doing today. So I'm going to start by just oiling my hair up a little bit before we get started. So I'm going to pull all of my hair up out the way, and I'm going to start with the twist in the back, and I'm going to work my way to the top. And yeah, I'm just going to pop the rubber bands at the end and just unravel the twist. And then once you finish unraveling them, you get like this really pretty wave crinkly look. So yeah, I'm gonna put some music on and just let you guys watch me take this out. It's really simple. Pop the rubber band and unravel it. So yeah, it's basically like doing a twist out. If you had natural hair, this is a twist out just on your locks, essentially. So like I was saying in the beginning of the video, these rope twists were probably my favorite style since I had my loc extensions. Honestly, I think it's my favorite style since I even started my loc journey. But yeah, I really love the rope twists. They were very versatile. If you haven't seen the actual rope twist tutorial, I will have it linked down below in the description box. But yes, the rope twists were just super versatile. You got so many looks within that, and even now that I'm taking it out, I still have another look. So I absolutely love my results. I love the way that this twist out came out. It was very similar to the braid out I did last month or so. However, I think I like the twist out results better. Probably because my twists were smaller than the braids. I had more twists, and I just feel like the waves and crinkles are a lot more uniformed. So yeah, I absolutely love the results of this twist out. So lastly, I'm just going to do my edges, and I'm going to be using my Style Factor Edge Booster like I always do. And that was really it, y'all. I love my hair. I feel like I say that in so many videos. I love my hair. I love my hair. But I really do love my hair. I love the way that this came out. It's just so effortless. Yeah. This style will definitely be in rotation for the summer. I love it. That's going to be it for this video, you guys. Let me know what you think about it down in the comments section. Also, I've been having so much fun styling my hair. I do have some other styles that I want to try. So I want to try like a roller set or like the flexi rods or something on my hair. Also want to try some bantu knots. So let me know which one you want to see, or if you have any other recommendations. But thank you guys so much for tuning in. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram, Snatched by Sharmel, and I will see you beautiful people in my next video. Bye.